So a frequently asked question for us is, what is a loss assessment? Loss assessment coverage helps pay for your share of the damage to the common areas of the homeowners or condo association, like the roof, the outside walls, or the common areas of the HOA, the other areas. And this is just in case the homeowners association or condo association's insurance doesn't cover the full cost, and this is assessed upon the unit owners to cover the remaining costs. And this could be a very important coverage. It might be the most important coverage for people who own a condo, especially if the condo association or the homeowners association does not have a master earthquake policy. That means the entire cost will be assessed on the unit owners. I hope you got value out of this video, and if you'd like to learn more about earthquake insurance, go to our website, earthquakeagent.com. We have a learning center dedicated, full of videos with information that may be important for you. Or if you'd like to get a quote, you can also request a quote on there, or give us a call today.